The kitty doesn't want to sleep, guys. Maybe she needs a potty. Oh, she doesn't need the toilet. Maybe she's thirsty. Let's give her some water. Guys? Yay! Maybe she wants to play with me? Oops. I don't know what's wrong with my kitty.
Oh, what's the matter with the kitty?
I don't know. I've tried everything. I put her to sleep. I put her on the litter box. I gave her water. And I even played with her.
Maybe we should take her to the vet.
Come on, kitty. Let's go to the vet. It's done! Oh! Whoa! Good doggy! Yay! Uh-oh! Next animal! Next animal! Meow! Hello! Tell me, what is wrong with this kitty? She is very sad and keeps meowing. Let's take a look. First, we need to check her heartbeat. Her heartbeat seems okay. Did you let the kitty rest? Yes, I tried to let her sleep. Has she had water? Does she use the cat litter box? Yes, a lot. Have you played with her? Yes, a lot. Let's take an X-ray. It's okay, it'll be fine. It looks like the kitty has been eating dog food.
Hello.
Let me tell you how to feed the cat. We have dog foods for dogs and cat foods for cats. Which one? This one is cat food. Yay! See? The kitty chose the cat food. I'll remember to always feed my cat the proper food. Guys, do you take care of your pets?
Today, we're going to recap what we learned about the human body at the Science Museum.
Wow!
Okay, guys, let's take a closer look at the human body. What happens when you exercise? It's very important to stretch your body before doing any form of exercise. Running is a great example. And Ruby and Bonnie are just about to have a race. What does your blood do? Blood helps transport oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissues. They also help carry cells and antibodies to fight infections when you're sick. How do you breathe? Correct breathing starts in the nose and then moves to the stomach. The belly expands and your lungs fill with air. Why do you need to eat? The human body needs food for energy and for growth and repair. We need many nutrients on a daily basis in order to stay healthy and to keep alive. How do you understand what's going on around you? The 5 senses.
Sight. Hear. Touch. Smell. Taste. Bonnie, did you brush your teeth?
Do you guys brush your teeth every day?
I make sure I brush my teeth every day, teacher. But how does the stomach work? Food gets passed along to your stomach. This is what your stomach looks like. Where does the food go?
Through the intestine. After you eat, your food passes through your stomach and small intestine, then onto the larger intestine, and then...
Uh-oh. Phew! Uh-oh. The heart, guys!
Oh no! We must pump the blood to the lungs to collect oxygen. Enough blood into those lungs, girls. You both get an A!
Yay! Thanks for teaching us the importance of the human body, Granny.
You're welcome.
Bye. Bye-bye. That was a good lesson, Bonnie. Yes, but did you brush your teeth? Phew! My tummy's sore. We need the doctor!
Yes?
I'm not feeling well, doctor.
You need to drink more water.
Okay.
Yes? You must brush for 2 minutes twice a day.
Okay.
Better?
Yay!
Ruby! Ruby!
What is it, Granny?
Granny has to go out, so here's your list of chores.
Huh? Okay.
Bye! I'll see you in a few hours.
I need some help. Yes, the robot's here. Okay, Robot, I need you to walk the dog. Okay. Robot is ready. Huh? What's going on? Robot is really hot. Oh no! What's happened? The doggy's on the loose! I got you! Guys, I need to charge the robot! Do not touch PowerPoints without adult supervision. How may I assist you? Robot, I need you to do the dishes. Huh? I better go check on the robot. Uh-oh. Robot, stop! Okay. We better get out of here! Robot! I need you to vacuum. Robot! You need to vacuum. Okay, fine. Oh no, guys! We need to send the robot back! Oh no! I need to do the chores myself!
Ruby and Bonnie have 1 minute to escape from Granny.
Oh no! Let's race! Yeah!
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Girls? Where's those girls?
Granny, they're in the soda plate!
Time's up, Granny. Can you find Ruby and Bonnie? Girls? Girls! What about Granny?
Sorry, Granny, we're out of here! Bye!
Ruby and Bonnie managed to escape from Granny.
Uh-oh!
Great job! Now I challenge you to build a wall. Can you do it?